Hello everyone, welcome to our newest video today. We go ahead to demonstrate the newest products on my right hand. This is a countertop styling pizza oven, and let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit, it's about like a 23 inches wide, and the depth of the unit is about like a 27 inches. Overall height is about like a 20 and 3 4 inches tall. So we can see the front of the units. It comes with the two switches right here. One is for the timer, one is for the temperatures. And when we open the front flip doors, we can see they come with a double layer of the decks for this cooking area space. It is about like 18 inches deep and 18 inches wide too. The second layer, they come with the same dimensions. And the clearance for this access inches, it is about like a 3 and 1 4 inches. So when we close this door, the front doors, we can look in the behind of the units. This one coming with the CSA sanitation stickers at the behind of the units, and also they coming with the standard plugs. But this one using the 220 powers, a single phase. So if you want to use it, just double check it. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.